Right guys, how we all doing? James here, back with another video. As you can tell, this is another Assetto Corsa video of me drifting the BMW 1M, or me attempting to drift the BMW 1M. I've been playing on and off from the game for quite a few months now, trying to learn how to drift, you know, like counter steer, throttle control, and all that good stuff. Yeah, I've been loving the BMW 1M because I own a BMW 125 E88, and I'd love to take it on a track one day, but obviously I'm trying to learn the fundamentals of like drifting, you know what I mean? So what I'll probably do, I'll probably start creating this as like a series of like me just trying to drift all different cars, you know what I mean? It's only for fun. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy what you see. Obviously I know it's a little clip, but yeah, now BMW 1M, it's really lively rear end, very short wheelbase, you know, very twitchy, and but yeah, it's really fun, you know, trying to counter steer it, you know, trying to keep it sideways. But yeah guys, hopefully you enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.